Place Coca-Cola on charcoal, and you'll be amazed by the result. After I started using this mixture, I never bought it from the store again. For today's tip, we're going to need a piece of charcoal. It needs to be new, not used. Take the charcoal and place it in a plastic bag, then tie it securely with a knot. Once that's done, crush it with the help of some tool. We're doing this because we only need the charcoal powder. After crushing it well, use a sieve to extract all the powdered charcoal. For the next step, let's add about 5 ounces of Coca-Cola. It's about a glass. Next, we're going to need dish soap. You can use any brand you prefer. Go ahead and add the same amount, 5 ounces. Finally, add the same amount of water. Just tap water at room temperature. Now, just mix everything very well. Once that's done, our mixture is ready. What we need to do now is transfer the entire solution into a container. I'm using this dish soap bottle I had as it makes application much easier. At this point, you're probably curious and wondering what this is for. What we've just made is a powerful cleaner for metals and aluminum items. That's right. With this potent product, you can clean and polish all the metallic items in your home. Let me show you how to use it. Let's say you have a dirty, burnt, and stained pot like this one at home. Look how dirty it is, even with burnt liquid stuck to it. Anyone who has tried to clean this knows how hard it is. So here's what we'll do. Apply our mixture directly onto the item you want to clean. Then scrub with a sponge without adding anything else, just our solution. See how, with little effort, we can remove all the burnt residue. Look at all that dirt coming off. This works because charcoal and Coca-Cola are extremely abrasive. That's why we achieve such great results. The best part is that besides cleaning, this solution also polishes your items, restoring all their original shine. Look at the result. It's amazing. It doesn't even look like the same pot. That's why it's definitely worth trying this at home. You'll surely love the results. This was today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Take care and see you soon.